Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to decrease the CPU uses. That means how to make your PC faster. This is very easy, but you have to do some of these steps. So you have to stick with me. First of all, go to your search bar and you have to search for Windows Update. Okay, so click on check for updates. Now you can see there are many options here, but our desired button is check for updates, and you can see that it is written you are up to date. That means my PC is up to date. I no need to update my PC, so still you can just click on this button and you can just check for the updates. Okay, next you can do is go to the gaming option if you play games, and make sure your gaming mode is turned on. So you can see that my gaming mode is turned on. After that, you can just go to the battery option. Here it is, power, sleep and battery settings. So you can see a option which is power mode. Click on it. It is selected as balanced. You can just make it best performance or best power efficiency if your PC becomes slow, so that will help you to decrease the CPU uses. Next, what you can do, you can just search for task manager. Okay, and you can see all the uses here. Okay, you can just right click any of it and you can just end the task which are using the CPU more. Okay, that will make your CPU uses less and make your PC faster. Another thing, you can just go device manager, which is under the section of control panel, and from here you have to do another work. Here it is, make sure all the drivers are updated. Here it is, you have to just right click on anything and you have to just click update driver. You have to update all the driver, and that's all. If it still doesn't work, you need to reinstall the Windows, and hopefully the problem will be solved at least a little bit, but I hope it will be 100% efficient. So comment down below if this tutorial helped you, and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.